So I just wanted to show you my little gorgeous little notebooks, just to do a quick flip through and to show you what they're like inside. They're made out of Women's Weekly Library romance stories from the 1960s and 70s. So yeah, this one's from 79, Love's Loom. So I've left the very retro kind of cover. I've actually sealed it with Mod Podge, so it gives it a bit more, it makes it a bit more robust. And I have reinforced these pages and sewn them all together. So now you've got a few original pages plus plenty of note paper, and I've put different types of paper in there. Some black paper, and oh, you can't see it very well here because it's black, but I've sewn them together. So that's what they're like. But this one's a little bit different, because what I did was I made a little pocket. I kept an extra page in, and so now you can, I just happen to have a bit of scrap paper. You can put little ephemera and keep bits and pieces in there. And then you've also got blank paper. You've got some of the original story. Some people like to do erasure art on pieces of text, or they like to do drawings over the top of text. And this paper is quite absorbent, and I think it's going to work very well. And there you are, all sewn together. A nice little handbag sized notebook. Another pocket in the back, and original adverts. So there you are. This one, I'm not sure what age this one was. It'll be 60s or 70s. Same with this one. This one's got some coloured paper. So they're all a little bit different. They're all one of a kind and a lot of fun.